Have you ever felt lost, like nothing in life is going the way you planned? Maybe you've worked so hard, dreamed so big, but everything seems to fall apart. You ask yourself, why me? Why now? What's the reason for all this struggle? Listen, I want to tell you something that can completely change the way you see your life. God has a bigger plan for you. Yes, even when you don't understand the path, even when things seem unfair, even when your heart feels heavy, there is a purpose behind it all. Today, I'll help you see how to trust the journey, find peace in uncertainty, and even improve your English fluency as you grow through these words. Stay with me. This message might just be what your soul needs today. Sometimes, life feels like a puzzle, full of missing pieces. We try to make sense of it, but it doesn't fit. We cry, we fight, we question. But what if those missing pieces are not mistakes? What if they're simply waiting for the right time to fall into place? You see, when we say God has a bigger plan for you, it means there's something greater happening beyond your sight. You may not see the full picture yet, but it's being painted with love, wisdom, and divine timing. Every disappointment, every closed door, every unexpected turn is guiding you towards something better. You might think it's the end, but often it's just the beginning of a new and beautiful chapter. Let's be honest, trusting the journey isn't easy. We humans love control. We want to know what's next, what's certain, what's safe. But life and faith don't work that way. You might pray for something and not get it. You might plan for success and face delay. You might give your best and still lose. And when that happens, your mind screams, "Why is this happening to me?" But here's a truth you must remember. Just because you can't see the plan doesn't mean there isn't one. Sometimes God withholds things not to punish you, but to prepare you. He's shaping your strength, testing your patience, and building your faith. If you knew everything ahead of time, you'd never learn to trust. That's why the journey matters. It teaches you how to walk even when the road is dark. To trust the journey means to walk with peace even when the path is uncertain. It's believing that every step, forward or backward, still moves you closer to your purpose. It's waking up and saying, "I may not understand this season, but I trust that it's shaping me." When you trust the journey, you stop fighting what's happening. You stop comparing your timeline to others. You stop questioning every delay. You start saying, if this is where I am right now, there must be a reason. And in that acceptance, you find strength. Remember, growth doesn't happen in comfort. It happens in patience, in persistence, and in quiet faith. Maybe you're wondering, how do I actually see God's plan in my life? It starts with small steps: awareness, gratitude, and action. Look back at how far you've come. Think of the moments you thought you wouldn't survive, but you did. That's not coincidence. That's purpose in progress. Be grateful for what you have, not just what you want. Gratitude opens your heart to see hidden blessings. When you thank God for today, you create space for tomorrow's miracles. Stay patient during the waiting. Waiting doesn't mean nothing is happening. It means something important is growing under the surface. Like a seed, unseen but alive. Take action in faith. Trusting God doesn't mean sitting still. It means walking forward while believing the path will clear as you move. Sometimes we think the plan has failed when life takes a detour. But what if detours are not mistakes, they're directions? Maybe the door that closed wasn't meant for you. Maybe the job you lost was saving you from burnout. Maybe the person who left was making space for someone better. Every detour is a divine redirection. It's God saying, "Not this way, I have something better." Trust it, because the path that seems uncertain now might be the most beautiful path you've ever walked. There will be days when you feel unseen, unheard, and forgotten. You'll ask, if God really has a plan, why am I suffering? Here's the answer. Pain is not proof that God abandoned you. Pain is often the evidence that He's still working in you. Think about gold. Before it shines, it has to go through fire. Before a diamond sparkles, it must be cut. And before your purpose blooms, your faith must be tested. So, when life feels unfair, whisper to yourself, "This is not the end of my story. It's just a chapter of preparation." Faith doesn't remove problems, it transforms how you face them. When you trust that God has a bigger plan for you, you stop living in fear. You stop worrying about what's beyond your control. Faith turns waiting into worship. It turns anxiety into acceptance. It turns pain into purpose. Patience isn't passive, it's power. It's saying, "I will keep moving even if I don't see results yet." Because timing is part of the plan too. Let me tell you a quick story. There was a man who lost his job after years of hard work. He felt broken and angry. He thought God had forgotten him. But months later, he started his own small business, something he had always dreamed of but never had time to do. Within a year, it grew beyond his expectations. Looking back, he realized if he hadn't lost that job, he would have never stepped into his calling. That's what trusting the journey looks like. What feels like an ending is often a divine beginning. Now, if you're watching this to improve your English fluency, here's something beautiful. Learning to speak better English is also a journey. Just like faith, it requires patience, consistency, and trust in the process. Don't compare your progress to others. Don't rush your growth. Instead, enjoy learning step by step. Every new word you learn, every phrase you practice, it's part of your bigger plan of becoming a confident communicator. So, as you trust God with your life, trust yourself with your learning too. You're growing in faith, in skill, in confidence. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. Before we finish, take a deep breath. Close your eyes for a second. Now say to yourself, "I am not lost. I am becoming." Where you are right now, it's not random. You're in a chapter that's leading you to something greater. Don't rush it. Don't resist it. Just trust it. Because someday, you'll look back and say, "I didn't understand it then, but now I see. God had a bigger plan for me all along." And when that day comes, you'll smile. Not because life was easy, but because you learned to trust the journey.